When I graduated, finding a job was tough. When I settled into my career, AI changed the game. Every phase has a learning experience, pushing me to stay ahead. Technology moves fast and always believe in moving with it. Hi, I am Laxmi Prakash and this is my journey. Currently, I am living in Pune. I am basically from Chhattisgarh. After graduation, I have started my career from Mumbai and then shifted back to the Pune. I am married. I have 2 kids. I am having 18 years of experience in the .NET development. I work on the multiple domains like e-commerce, legal. I am mainly work on the product-based organizations. Currently, I am working in Cubictree Technologies as a .NET developer. I am here working since 8 years. I am managing the team members, focusing on the product deliveries, mentoring them, and working on the AI-related technologies. I believe in the hard works. Success comes through the persistence and efforts. When I graduated in 2005, there was a recession in the market, and after a hard work, I have secured my job. There was again a big recession comes in the market in 2008, and due to that, I have laid off. But continue and persistent hard work, I am able to secure my job and continue progress. After 16-17 years of experience in the application and product development, I have seen there is a lots of potential in the AI. My company is also working in the data science, which motivates me to work and learn the AI technologies. AI presented both opportunities and learning challenges. My products have lots of data where we can implement the AI features. That's why I have started learning the AI technologies. First, I have completed my cloud computing course from Simplilearn. Later, when I am exploring AI ML courses, I come through the IIT Guwahati AI ML course, which suits my career objective. So I have started and enrolled in this course. Projects are well designed to teach the basics of AI and ML. The trainers are very good, specific to Subham Pandey, who teach the students very well and go beyond and solve each student's query. The weekend classes helping me to manage learnings. Additionally, I spend 1 hour daily to revise my contents. AI is increasing relevant in my organizations. I am exploring lots of AI models and APIs like Gemini, Microsoft Azure, DeepSeek, OpenAI in my projects for various works. This is how I am exploring and applying my learning. I love to explore the natures. Due to the work commitments, I am getting a very less time to spend with my family. But whenever I get a chance, I enjoy with my family. Learning AI has been a great experience. The course structure, trainers, and projects have provided with me a valuable knowledge that I can apply in my work and projects. Currently, AI is in every domain, and I suggest everyone to learn the basics of the AI to be competitive in the market. I believe continuous learning is the key to staying in the industry.